There are two ways to authenticate with Google Analytics, using a simple bearer token or using a Google Service account. In this example, we'll use a bearer token to authenticate a user to access Google Analytics 4 data. To create a token, use the Google Developers OAuth 2 Playground and find the Analytics Reporting API v4 and select the Analytics Read-Only option. Once selected, click the Authorize button and log in with a Google account that has permissions for GA4. Once authenticated, you'll see a message that indicates your account was found. Then just click the Exchange Authorization Code button to generate the bearer token. Tokens expire in roughly 2 hours. If you plan on using bearer tokens, there is an auto-refresh option. In this case, I will just select the token and copy for use in Reveal. In my Reveal project, my code is set up to look for a Google Analytics version 4 data source and to authenticate with the RV bearer token data source credential method. This takes 2 parameters, the bearer token and the optional user ID. I'll paste my token, and that's all I need to authenticate a request in the GA4 data connector. In my index.html client, I've created a Google Analytics 4 data source. I'll pass this data source ID to the callback so it correctly shows in the new dashboard dialog. In my terminal, I'll type node main to start the local server at localhost 5111. Once the server is started, I'll switch to my HTML page, which is set up to point to my local server, view it in the browser and click the Add Visualization button, which presents me with my data source. I'll select it and see the list of available data sources I have permission for. I'll select Infragistics, then Reveal, and use its data for my dashboard. In the visualization editor, I am presented with all the dimensions, measures, and fields available to create charts and graphs for my dashboard. I'll do a bar chart and show the average session duration by country. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to get started with Google Analytics 4 in Reveal.